Okay, so I'm going to show you the end of activity 2. This has now been running for a while, and just FYI, when the bag is over the top, it does wick water out all over the counter, so have them set it on a paper towel. Okay, so you can see, I'm just going to come bring you the bag, it's sort of drippy. So you can see that the bag, can you tell that it's turned purple inside? Yes, you totally can. So it's turned purple, which means what? So looking back at our predictions on the board, okay, we'll zoom in a little bit. Looking at our predictions on the board, it has turned purple inside the bag. So that means that iodine got in. But if you'll notice that the liquid on the counter, let's see, oh, I can do this, people, is still very much orange with no sign of purple or black. So in this case, the starch did not get out. But then looking for the sugar, they're going to have to run the Benedicts. So what they're going to do, sorry about that, what they're going to do is take a test tube, and TAs make sure that the hot plates are bubbling and going at this point. And they're going to take from the outside of the tube into a test tube. Okay, so they've just got the orange stuff on the outside. We're wondering if the glucose made it out. So then we just add the Benedicts, which is the blue, the light blue stuff. So you're just going to add the Benedicts, and I'm actually not going to add it because I don't have boiling water. Just add the Benedicts to it till it's double, and then throw it in the boiling water for 5 minutes and see if it actually changed. I'll be honest, in all the times that we've run this lab, rarely do we get a positive Benedict's reaction. And I think it's partly because the glucose has a hard time getting out, but also partly because it's so dilute in the container that it's sort of hard to detect. But hopefully one of you gets a positive result. I'd love to hear that. All right, so that's the end of activity 2. Activity 3, now we're working with blood cells. So in this case, you need to make sure that all of the test tubes that touch blood end up in the biohazard broken glass. Everything else so far can just go in the regular broken glass. But the blood needs to go in the biohazard. So also in the little container, so let's see, so far lab tech, we've got Benedicts, iodines, salt, glucose, starch in our little tubs for everybody. Then the other thing they're going to have in the tubs is blood, but the blood needs to be refrigerated. So TAs, at the beginning of your lab, you're going to go back to the fridge and grab the 8 containers of blood and distribute them in the buckets. Okay,